guys, what's up? How are you? Welcome to my channel and thank you for joining me for today's video. So today we are going to be testing out the Kristen Ess Signature Gloss, and I got it in the color Winter Wheat, which is for the light neutral blonde. This is an in-shower toning gloss. It's meant to be used in between hair treatments to revive your hair color, give it some gloss, and it's like a deep conditioning treatment as well. Well, I got my hair done 2 weeks ago, and just from the very beginning, I didn't really like the blonde color that it gave me. It was more brassy and it was just warmer than what I wanted. So I've been using a lot of purple conditioning treatments, a lot of purple shampoo, and it's given me a little bit, like it looks a lot better right now than it did when I walked out of the salon, but it's still a little warmer and I still have some brassiness, especially up at the root area. So I'm hoping that this Kristen Ess will come through for me and just give me that vibrancy and just kind of neutralize the brassier tones. And I don't know, I'm desperate at this point. So if you don't know, you can get the Kristen Ess products at Target, and this was I think around like $14–15, and it's a one-time treatment. It's supposed to last 3 to 4 weeks. It's for all hair types and it's a single application. So you do this in the shower, which is what I'm going to do just to save time and not have to worry about cleaning up afterwards. But this is what comes in the package. So you get the little activator right here, then you have the Winter Wheat gloss, the instructions, and then you also get some gloves with it. It says, pro tips: if your hair is dirty or has buildup, you can do a light shampoo before you apply. I probably will do that just because the area that I'm most concerned with trying to tone down is at my roots, so I want to make sure that the gloss sticks to that really well. So it looks very straightforward to use. You just mix these two together. So you just put this one in here, shake it up, and then you're just supposed to apply it all over your head. And then you wait either 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the result you want. So if you want it to be a deeper color, then you, of course, leave it on for 20 minutes. If you just want like a slight toning, then you can leave it on for 10 minutes. I'm going to be leaving it on for the full 20 minutes. And then afterwards, you just rinse it out and you shampoo and condition as usual. So yeah, like I said, this is my hair before, and it's looking a lot better than it did, but it still has some of that warmth and some of that brassiness, especially up here at the roots. You can see it's got some orange tones in it. So this is what it's looking like before. I'm going to jump in the shower, apply this, and then I will let you guys know how it goes. Okay, so here is the finished look, and it is a lot later in the day, so I'm hoping that the lighting is going to do this justice and you'll be able to see the difference in my hair, because there is definitely a difference. The blonde tones just look a lot brighter, and it definitely toned down the brassiness, especially at my roots, which is what I was concerned about the most. The brassiness is not completely gone, but it looks a lot better. Also, my hair just looks a lot shinier and a lot healthier. So I'm loving that about it too. So the color is not a huge difference from what I had, but I think that's mainly because I just got my hair done 2 weeks ago. So I think if I were to have waited a longer period of time, it would have been a more noticeable difference. But regardless, I'm super happy with the results of it. I will definitely be repurchasing this and trying it out again in the future. She has a lot more colors too, so I would definitely recommend this if you are looking to just freshen up your color, your style. I think this is a great choice. So yes, that's gonna do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!